Hi, today's topic is the dangers of law of attraction. The dangers of the law of attraction. Every coin has got two sides, right? Similarly, in life, there is always two sides, one positive, one negative. When talking about law of attraction is a law which always works. And in many of my videos, I have spoken about how law of attraction works, how to manifest it faster, and how to attract anything in your life. Okay, in fact, there are many videos which I have spoken on the positive side of law of attraction, but there's a negative side of law of attraction also. The first one which I want to share here, in fact, I want to share five areas where I want to stress on the 5 points on law of attraction, the dangers of law of attraction. The first one is, as I keep saying, law of attraction works always. So you should be very, very careful what you're thinking. What is your vibration? In fact, many times, people have a fear about something. Maybe they may think that they may lose a job, they may go for a loan, or they may use up in credit cards, or they may got in business losses, or they may have some breakup in some relationship, or they may have some health issues. Very simple. As I keep saying, the law of attraction works always. And the law of attraction will give it to you whatever you are vibrating at. So even if you are vibrating at negative, in fact, I always keep saying this, when you are vibrating negative, you attract it much, much faster. You are afraid about anything. Okay, you're having some fear about any kind of things. Okay, maybe a business loss. Okay, or you just say, okay, this particular person will come and take away my money, or I may lose my money, or I may meet with an accident, or I have some health issues. Whatever it is, okay, it will happen much, much faster. So always my saying will be very, very careful in your thinking, and particularly when it comes to negative thoughts, be very, very careful. So the second one. Can I manifest anything through law of attraction? Yes, but is it good? No. Like some people ask me, okay, they ask me like, can I help them to get the perfect life partner, what they're looking for? In fact, they just say, oh, I already have an affair with this particular girl, or I have an affair with this particular boy, and I think that they'll be the perfect life partner for my life. And there is some friction in our relationship, and is it possible through law of attraction it can be patched up and I can get that particular person? My answer will be no. Why? I'll just say, if at all, let us imagine I unite you two people, okay, and later on you get married and you found out that this is not a person, okay, this is not the person whom we are looking for, and after marriage they behave very differently. What happens? So you'll blame me also, okay, and this is where I just say, okay, instead of getting that particular person, I can program you for the perfect life partner in your life, the perfect life partner, and if at all this person is the perfect life partner, he or she may be in your life. And in fact, one thing which I want to add up here is I have brought up many broken relationships. In fact, many people have been broken. They have a broken relationship for more than 5 years or 10 years, almost on the verge of divorce. Okay, even after divorce, some people have been united. This is purely for the married couples. But when it comes to just love or relationship, the love part, I just say no. Or people who are very insisting, I just say, I'll program you for a perfect life partner in your life. And that has happened many, many times. So the next one is, the third one which I want to share here is, similarly, as a life partner, sometimes we look for a job also. Okay, some people ask me like, can I get this job? This is my dream job and I want to be in this company. And again I say, what if after joining the particular job or the company, you found out that this is not a company for you, this is not a job for you. You found out it's like a hell. Okay, the entire team is not for you. The management is not for you. Everybody is against you. So instead of asking like that, if you can ask, okay, I'll get the best job which I'm looking for. The best job will come seeking me. Believe it or not, this is very good because end of the day you'll have a lot of peace. And the fourth one which I always keep saying, always work in sync with the universe. In sync with the universe. This is very, very important. Many times, when you know this law of attraction, you come with that I attitude. Okay, I can achieve anything. I can do anything. I. When you come to that I, okay, many times your choices may be wrong. But if you allow the universe to decide for you, things will be better. Okay, I can call it as a universe, I can call it as a God, whatever you name it. Okay, in fact, I do it. Okay, anytime I want to do something, I always ask the universe to show me the right path, and I always believe that only the right things will come to me. In fact, even when I'm talking about this, okay, I always keep saying, not everybody can come to my program, because only the right people will come to my program. Yes, this is where I've been programming, and what actually happens is I have a lot of peace at the end of the day. And again, how to make the universe, how to sync with the universe. Okay, that I think I'll share another video on this completely, so that you can also use this formula, so that you will have it, you will be at peace. The last one, the fifth one, the dangerous part. Okay, in the name of law of attraction, many people have been trapped. Many people have been trapped to do some spiritual practices, or the cult practices. Okay, like very recently, a person who had taken my session just 1 month before, and after 1 month, he called me yesterday and said how my program has completely changed his life. Where another person from where he got trained, and where he have been trapped into many cult practices, like they gave him some pyramid, they gave him some copper plates, they asked him to do some kind of meditations. Okay, and which didn't actually give him the solution. In fact, he was into more trouble, and whenever he's into trouble, they'll ask him for another session. When he says, I have this trouble, they'll say, okay, we have another session, why don't you go to the next level, the next level, next level, next level. And what he said was, he lost more than 3 lakh rupees just attending their programs, and he had so much of these items, okay, which was dumped in his house. And my simple saying to him was, please throw away all this from your house, because this have power, and this can always stop your progress. Because since you will come to my program, I'll be there to take care of you, and you can see the success in my program. And yesterday he threw off all the things, and he said he lost so much of money in the previous programs. So what I want to share to you is, be careful when people are talking about some pyramids or some copper plates or some even chakras or some meditations, okay, wherein you don't know why they're doing, and you're just doing it blindly because they said it. Okay, always have a reason why I'm doing it. Because I always say, the spiritual practice, when you come to spiritual practices, okay, it is very difficult to differentiate between the good energy and the bad energy. I always keep saying, the good energy is like a police cop, and the bad energy is like a rowdy, a gangster. Okay, no gangster or rowdy will come and say, I'm a rowdy or I'm a gangster. Okay, they'll always keep saying, no, we are trying to help you out. Yes, we are trying to help you out. So we should be very, very careful. Only thing is, when you go to a police cop, you have a lot of peace. But when you go to a gangster, you may think that you're getting some solution. But actually what happens is, you just keep progressing, and one fine day you found out that you're already in a trap. And in fact, this guy said one more thing also. Many times he had some suicidal thoughts, and now he's completely free. So be very, very careful to choose the right and the wrong. Okay, and as I keep saying, as a coach, okay, I'm always there to help people. And if you're a person saying that, okay, yes, Mr. Stanley, even I did something like that, or I don't know how to program, or I'm just struggling in my area, in my life, and do you think that you can help me out? Definitely yes. In fact, I always keep saying, in 10 years of my coaching, okay, in law of attraction, I've been doing it international, all over the world, and I can proudly say there is no rejected case or no repeat case. I can challenge all these areas. Okay, and if you are serious to make a difference in your life, my numbers are flashing here. Please do call me, and it will help you out. If you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and press the bell symbol next to that. And also, if you are new to my Facebook Live programs, be a part of my Facebook Live programs. Again, as I keep saying, share this video to as many people as you can. Again, Wilfred Stanley signing off from Rapid Mind Power. Bye. Thank you. Have a great day.